Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to work on read only keyword in C sharp. Okay. So before moving into the video, so like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting me. Okay. So now let's see how to work on read only in C sharp. See, I now so this is my simple C sharp console application I have created, and I have made a class called the employee class. I have a property called salary, the public, and I have a constructor. Okay. So as per my constructor input value, I'm defining a salary. If my experience as one, this is my salary, two, salary, three, salary. Okay. Now let's see how to work on read only keyword. So read only is a simple. So when you make your variable as a read only, you cannot able to change the value of the variable. Let's see some example. See, so if you want to make your variable as read only, so you can add a keyword called read only before the variable like this. So public, so read only, so a keyword to define or to say the variable is for read only. Okay, once I define this, so once I define my variable as a read only, I can able to update or modify the variable value only inside the constructor of the same class. Okay, so I cannot able to change or update the salary or this variable value outside of the class. Okay, now see, so in the main class I have created a object for the employee. Okay, now so it's a public variable only. So now I can able to access across the application. See, when I used to assign the value, it won't allow me to assign. See, it will show some error. So once you define your variable as a read only variable, you can able to define or you can able to assign the value of the variable only inside the constructor of the same class. Okay, now I will remove this. Now let's see another one example. I'm going to add a method inside the same class. Okay, public void add a simple method. Okay, so I'm trying to assign the value inside here the same class. These also could not be done. So I could not change value inside the same class with other function or the other method like this. So we cannot able to achieve this. So we can able to define or we can able to change the value only inside the only the constructor, not in the method or the outside of the class or in anywhere. Okay. Now let's run the application and see what is output. So my output should get 5,000. See, now we got the output. And one more thing, so in the read-only variable, you can able to initialize the value where you define the property or the variable. So I'm going to initialize my variable as 10. Okay, so you can initialize. For example, I'm going to add logic salary into. Now I run the application. See how so now I get different output. Okay, so this is called read-only. So this is very simple. So we get to define the keyword as a read only for your variable, and you can able to change the value or you can assign the value only in the constructor. Okay. So thanks for watching my video, friends. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.